podcast. My name is Manish Singh, and today's date is 19th May 2021. And today we are going to talk about XAU USD. This is 4 hour chart. Uh, let me zoom out first a little bit. On the larger time frame, we have seen an correction, right? Okay, this was the correction, and you can call it correction of correction. Okay, so anyway, leave this. Let's talk to the present. In the current scenario, we have seen an uptrend from here. This was the first leg, then this was the correction, and this was the third leg. Okay, so in the first leg we have seen a beautiful 1 2 3 4 5 waves, and from the point I think 1 2 3 4 5 has been completed somewhere in this area. Okay, now this complete entire lag has been, if, or I will say, if it is completed here, then this will be your resistance area. Okay, and from here we will see an correction which will which we will call B wave. Now if you are going to see a correction of this S, and believe me, this will be a little dip. It will be sharp or maybe consolidated, but I think price will fall at least to this level. If we make a trend line from here to there, then yes, price should fall at least to this levels. Okay, now if anyone has the position in XAUSD, I will say, please book your profits. Don't be greedy. Okay, so there's that. Now uh, trading with Elliott Wave or any other trading system, I will always assume that it's like playing a chess game. uh, if you are trading and you can play only the A leg and only the C leg, you will completely ignore this correction. Okay, or some traders only wait for 1 2 3 4 5 wave, uh, let it complete and let the chart say that this is A, and then they will wait for the B and only play for C. This kind of management will give you an highest accuracy, because there are so many charts, you can always have something to play. So play according to your trading setups. Make a trading setup system so that your accuracy level and your risk reward ratio will be great. Okay guys, so trade according to according to that. Anyway, this is our forecast, and if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe it so that you can get the trade on time. And another, please share it with your friends so that they can make profit, and at least they will stop their losses and don't take random trades. Okay guys, thank you everyone, bye, take care.